With the amount of driving that we do here in Southern California, it's inevitable that you or someone you know will be involved in a car accident. And if you are, there's some important things to remember. The first is that make sure everybody in your car is safe. Make sure if anybody's injured that you call 911 and get paramedics and police out to the scene immediately to make sure that they get the proper medical care and are transported to the emergency room if necessary. That's by far the most important thing. Make sure everybody's healthy and safe. After that, it's important to exchange information with the other driver and do that in a safe location. You don't want to do that in the middle of the freeway if there's a lot of traffic, but try to find a safe location, exchange information. That means get their name, address, telephone number, get their insurance company, insurance policy number, and any other information that you can identify that individual and their insurance, because we'll need that in order to pursue the claim. Also, when you're exchanging information, look for any witnesses that might be around. If anybody saw the accident or how the accident occurred, get their information, because those people will be extremely important to help resolve the issues of who caused the accident. And without those witnesses, it can be a much bigger fight in order to prove who caused the accident than if you had those witnesses. Oftentimes witnesses are reluctant to cooperate, but do your best to try to get their cooperation, because it will help accelerate the resolution of the case. Another thing that you have to remember is that it's important to get photographs of the accident scene to the extent you can in a safe manner. You don't want to put yourself at risk to get the photographs, but if you can take some photographs, it's important to get those. Photograph the vehicles, the placement of the vehicles, the relationship to, for instance, an intersection or the lanes of travel. Those photographs can help prove how the accident occurred. At some point in time, you want to report it to your own insurance company following the accident, and you may get a call from the other party's insurance company asking for a recorded statement. I do not allow my clients to give recorded statements, and most attorneys in my field would not allow their clients to give a recorded statement. Do not give a recorded statement unless you've talked to an attorney first. The other party's insurance company is trying to get a statement from you as early as possible and possibly have you say things that might be detrimental to your case. It's important that you speak to an attorney and make sure you understand why they may be asking you these questions so that you can address them properly. Also, with respect to your property damage, you can let your own insurance company know that you've sustained property damage and you want to be compensated for it. You can also deal with the other party's insurance company for the resolution of property damage issues. Oftentimes my clients ask me to help them with that, and I will, but property damage can oftentimes be resolved between the individual and the other party's insurance company. At the end of the day, the most important thing is to make sure that you and your family members and friends, whoever's in the car, are safe, and then it's important to talk to an attorney. An attorney can give you the best advice on what your options are and how to best handle the claims process, and if necessary, file a lawsuit on your behalf to protect your interests and get a recovery that includes economic loss, medical bills, and pain and suffering.